This video is the continuation of the last video. In the last lecture, we have seen that we have opened the baseball data set and we have seen how to select and deselect the variable in the data set. In this video, we are going to learn how to sort the data set based upon the variable. So let's start. To sort the variable, when you click on the any variable name, suppose I am clicking on this and add bat, and you click on this, for now you can see the variable values are in different order, like these values are not in order, like 348, then 246, then again 320 to 327. So these values are not in order, and we want to order this value, and according to this value or order we want to order the data set. So when you click on this variable, you can see that all these values are got sorted in the ascending order. Again, you want to see in the next variable, same thing, you have to just click. Now you can see the values are not in order. So when you click on this, values are got in order, and according to this order, all the other variables have got changed up and down. So this is all about the sorting variable in the discrete variables. Like these are the discrete values. Suppose if you want to sort the string variable, you can see here we have a team variable which is a string type variable. What happened when we click on this? Let's see. Click on this team variable. You can see that the team variable also got sorted, but it is based upon the alphabetical order. In the numeric variable, it is upon the magnitude of the variable, and in string variable, it is upon the alphabetical order. In the both these cases, we have seen when we click on any of the variable, it got sorted in the ascending order. But what if we want to do it in the descending order? For that, you just have to click on it. When you click on it, it get order in ascending. If you want to in the order in descending, you can see here a small triangle. Right click on this triangle, get an options. You can see that sort ascending, sort descending, and sort by data order. Sort ascending will do ascending order. Sort descending will do sorting in descending order. Sort by data order will do a default order that is already present in the data set. For now, what we have to do, we have to sort in descending. Then click on sort descending. You can see the highest number are in the top. So same thing applies in the string data set. If you click on this, you'll get an arrow. And when you click on this right arrow and click on the sort ascending, you can see the same alphabetical order but in the descending order. So this is all about your sorting the variable, sorting the data depending upon the variable. One more thing is that you can see in the data set, we can see just the column names, name, team, and at bat. These are the column name. What if you want the column labels? So how to change this column name to column label? In the top left corner, you can see here is a view. In this view, you can click on this arrow. You have two options, column label or column name. For now, it is a column name and we want to change it into a column label. So click on column labels. You can see the change, name change to player's name, team changed to team at end of the 1986, and all other variable name is changed to variable labels. If you want to again change it to the column name, you can again click here and column name. And if you want to resize the column size, now you can see here is some white space. To resize it, to minimize the size of this column, you just have to hold the cursor in between two columns and you can see double headed arrow. Then you have to click and drag it to a width which you want, and then the variable width of this variable got decreased. Same If you want to also decrease this variable, place an cursor in between two variables, hold and resize. So in this video, we have seen how to sort the data depending upon the variable, how to change the name of the column to a name of the label by going into this view, and how to change the width of column by scrolling this arrow. So that's it for this video.